Purity oxygen facial machine. When you receive machine first, please fix the hanger on the top of machine. Then fix the handle. BIO handle. BIO handle connection. Skin checking handle. Skin checking handle connection. Ultrasound handle. Ultrasound handle connection. Skin cooling handle. Skin cooling handle connection. Scrubber. Scrubber connection. Here has handle picture, easy for you to find the related handle connection. Aqua pinning handle. Aqua pinning handle connection. Spray gun. Spray gun connection. Oxygen facial mask. Mask connection. After finish machine installation, let's fill serum in the bottle. S1 for normal skin, S2 sensitive skin, S3 for all skin type, S4 you can put warm water inside or you can put pure water inside for cleaning the handle pipe. Turn the bottle out. Fill related serum inside the bottle for normal skin type and fix it back. The same way to fill related serum for bottle number 2 and number 3. You can fill pure water for number 4. On the back side, here has 2 bottles. Bottle for wastewater and this bottle for distilled water. Do oxygen mask treatment. Connect power. Switch on. After switch on, you will see the light on the board, both sides. Touch the screen. Here is Chinese. Choose the city. Choose the language. The first step, push to do skin test. Choose skin test, and you will see the light on the handle. We can start to do skin test now. Keep the handle contact on the skin. The handle has 200 times magnification pixel. The skin situation will show on the screen. You can see the spots, oil, acne. Especially you can check the nose because the nose is easy to get blackhead. You can see the blackhead very seriously. Touch the screen to stop the function. Then aqua pinning. to do skin clean. Here is the time. Bottle for choice. Choose the bottle. S1 for normal skin, S2 sensitive skin, S3 for all skin type. Choose S1 for example. Set the time. Usually we do 10 minutes. Start. You will see the light on the handle, means it's ready for working. Use finger to block the tip until the water come out. You can start to do treatment now. And here, on the right side, vacuum adjustment, water adjustment. There is a button on the handle for easy control. Start to clean the skin from down to up. You can clean the skin like thumb, or you can slide the skin every 2 cm. Don't slide too long. For the facial skin clean, you can do 2 times. For nose clean, you can do more times for blackhead removal. Do the same way for another side. After skin clean, press this button to stop. Or you can stop here on the screen. For the thick cuticle skin, we can use scrubber. This handle. Here is time. Intensity, we start intensity from 3. Increase according to client situation. Mode here has A for continuous mode, B for intermittent mode, A for all skin type, B for sensitive skin type. Press start and press the button on both sides of handle to do treatment on the skin. Don't wear gloves for scrubber treatment. Only the hand to press the metal button can get reaction from the handle. Do treatment from down to up. For the facial skin, you can do 2 times is enough. For the nose area, the skin will be more dirty. You can do more times. If the skin is very dry, you can put some toner or serum on the skin before skin clean. Stop. After skin clean, we can do spray function. Put toner or any product are easy to spray. Don't put cream inside the bottle, otherwise the gun will be stuck. Set the time, usually 5 to 6 minutes. Start. Cover the mouth and nose. Spray slowly from down to up. 2 times for the facial spray. Do the same way for another side. Stop spray function. The next step, ultrasonic. Before you do ultrasonic function, please make sure there has liquid product on the skin, otherwise no reaction on the skin. Set the time. Intensity start from 5. You can increase accordingly. A for continuous mode, A for all skin type, B intermittent mode for sensitive skin. Start. You will see the light on the handle. You can do treatment now. Start to do treatment from down to up. You can do by circle way. Ultrasound vibrate 1 million to 3 million times per minute to open pores.
The essence of rapid infiltration to the base of skin, skin absorption rate reaching more than 90%. Also, you can do the treatment by slide from down to up. Do the same way for another side.
Stop. The next step. BIO skin lifting. Before the treatment, please make sure there has liquid products on the skin. Set the time, usually 10 minutes. Intensity, start from 3. Mode A and B. Start.
Start to do treatment from down to up. You can do by circle way. Keep the two corners contact the skin completely. Or you can do by slide way from down to up. RF treatment can produce new collagen, wrinkles removal, skin tightening, and lifting. Do the same way on another side.
Stop the function. The next step, cooling, skin cooling. Start.
Cooling skin from down to up. You can do by circle way, or you can do next down, 10 seconds for each step. Or you can slide the skin from down to up. Cooling function can repair the damaged skin, eliminate redness and sensitive effects. Do the same way on another side.
Stop. After a cooling treatment, put facial mask on the skin and choose oxygen function. Set the time. Usually, we do the oxygen mask same as we do mask at home, 15 minutes. And the mode: A. Red light, B. Green light, C. Blue light, D. Mixed light.
Use the oxygen mask to cover the face.
Start.
Put cotton on the client's eyes or let the client wear glasses for eyes protection. Red light promotes skin cell regeneration. Green light calms skin and relieves fatigue. Blue light improves acne and smooth skin. Mixed light improves pigmentation and promotes blood circulation. Oxygen treatment provides high-purity oxygen care for the skin's hypoxic situation. Brighten the skin, reduce melanin deposition. It also promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss.
Stop. After treatment, we should clean the handles. Use normal saline water to clean the handles. But for the aqua peeling handle, we should choose bottle number 4, pure water or warm water to clean the handle. Aqua peeling function. Number 4. Please make sure you have put warm water or pure water inside. Start. Use finger to block the tip for 1 minute to clean the pipe. For the plastic tips, you can put in alcohol, use brush to clean the tips. For the spray gun, put warm water inside, spray all water out. When the waste water up to here, you should take the bottle out and pour the water